I want to highlight a road closure in Williamston. It'll be happening until around, I believe it's going to be around 4 p.m. later on today. CSX Transportation announced that it will be removing the old bridge timbers in an overhead bridge on Main Street in Williamston. The road, again, will be closed today until 4 p.m. Now, the closure started at 9 a.m. Signage will be in place, again, marking the detours. So if you are doing any driving around Main Street in Williamston, do understand you may run into some slowdowns, you may run into some traffic due to this closure.